Don't let IELTS reading overwhelm you. Instead, try these strategies. First, take a reading passage and underline the first and the last sentence of each paragraph. This is called as skimming. Second, look for names, dates, and numbers that can help you with the question tasks like sentence completion, notes completion, summary completion, and many others. Now, this is called as scanning. Finally, always follow the reverse process. This means reading and understanding the questions first and then going to the passage. Again, reverse therapy. With these power-packed techniques, you will also save a lot of time trying to search for keywords. Do let me know if you need any help with the reading module in the comment section, and follow Band 9 IELTS to learn the best strategies for your IELTS and PT examination.